The West Kingston police have released the names of the division's 5 most wanted men.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Kingston Western Police have listed 5 men as wanted for various crimes in the division and are asking them to turn themselves in to the police immediately. They are David Reid, otherwise called BJ, of 7 St. William Pathway, Hopeful Village in Arnett Gardens, and 130 Greenwich Park Road, Kingston 11. He has a burn scar on the top of his right arm. Damaine Taylor, 29 years old, otherwise called Ichpang, of 18 Seavright Pathway, Admiral Town and Rollington Town, Kingston. A man only known as Kadula of an Arnett Gardens address. Collins Korayan, 29 years old, otherwise called Jerome Blacks, of 3 Nethersole Drive in Arnett Gardens. And Ryan Shawn Mattis, 21 years old, of 20A New Lincoln Road, Admiral Town, Kingston. In addition to that, individuals who may have information as to the whereabouts of these men are being asked to contact the Kingston Western Police at 922-6441, Police 119 emergency number, Crime Stop at 311, or submit information using the Stay Alert app.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.